Hello tech enthusiasts and creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future of 3D printing. That's right, we've compiled the ultimate list of the top 5 best 3D printers of 2024 that are revolutionizing the game. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to make your purchase. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest tech reviews and innovations. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. This printer's precision and reliability will blow your mind. From intricate designs to larger-than-life projects, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro delivers top-notch quality. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D printer, a game-changer in the world of printing innovation. Crafted to meet the demands of creators, this printer offers a substantial 8.85 by 8.85 by 11-inch printing size, making it a go-to choice for a diverse range of projects. Driven by an STM32 motherboard and equipped with silent stepper motors, this printer operates at a whisper-quiet 47 to 48 dB, ensuring precision without the noise. Its pre-assembled components and complete toolkit facilitate swift installation, getting you started in no time. The standout feature? A dual-gear direct drive extruder crafted from top-grade SUS 303 stainless steel. With a 3-to-1 reduction ratio, it ensures smoother filament feeding and more stable printing. Bid farewell to nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues. This printer supports various filaments like PLA, TPU, PTG, and ABS. Enhancing the printing effect, the nozzle kit includes a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe, aluminum alloy flat heat sink, and brass nozzle. This smart design efficiently dissipates heat, curbing nozzle clogging possibilities. Experience smarter printing with auto mesh bed leveling. A high-precision sensor scans 36 points of the hotbed in real time, adjusting the Z-axis height for a flawless printing platform applicable to metal printing platforms. Plus, enjoy the convenience of smart resume printing, ensuring no work is lost due to filament depletion or power outages. Stability is the cornerstone here. The Z-axis with dual synchronized lead screws and dual motor drive guarantees precise movements, eliminating printing deviations. The 4-wheel V-guide rail pulley, made from POM, ensures stable, quiet, and durable printing. In summary, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro promises an enhanced printing experience, leveraging cutting-edge technology and smart design for seamless, high-quality prints. It's the ultimate choice for creators seeking precision, reliability, and innovation in their 3D printing endeavors. Next up at number 4, we have the Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. This printer is a game-changer with its user-friendly interface and high-performance capabilities. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this one's got you covered. The official Creality 3D printer Ender 3S1 Pro, an upgraded marvel from its predecessor, the Ender 3S1. This powerhouse boasts a high-temperature nozzle reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, a vibrant LED light, PI spring printing platform, and a user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen, revolutionizing your printing experience. The star of the show is its upgraded dual-gear direct drive extruder, featuring 2 chrome steel gears working at a 1 minute and 3.5 seconds gear ratio. With an impressive pushing force of 80 N, this extruder ensures seamless filament feeding without slipping. It's your go-to choice for flexible filaments like TPU and a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PTG, wood TPU, and PA. Navigate effortlessly with the 4.3-inch touchscreen, supporting 9 languages for efficient interaction. The screen dims out after 3 minutes of inactivity, conserving energy. Plus, the LED lights integrated into the design allow you to monitor your print progress at any given time. The innovative removable PI spring steel print sheet is a game-changer. It combines a PC coating, a spring steel sheet, and a magnetic sticker for hassle-free printing. Models stick firmly during printing and can be easily removed by bending the sheet. Precision meets simplicity with dual Z-axis, dual Z-motor, and dual bar wire linkage, minimizing printing deviations and enhancing accuracy and stability. With 96% of the printer body pre-installed, assembling is a breeze in just 6 steps, and maintenance is hassle-free. At Creality, we value your experience. Our dedicated after-sales technical team is ready to assist you 24/7. Should you encounter any installation or usage challenges, don't hesitate to reach out for comprehensive solutions within 24 hours. The Creality 3D printer Ender 3S1 Pro is the epitome of innovation, reliability, and user-centric design, unlocking a world of possibilities for your printing endeavors. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1. Talk about versatility. This printer not only prints but also engraves and carves, giving you a complete creative toolkit in one sleek package. The Snapmaker A350T 3D printer, a revolutionary 3-in-1 innovation that redefines creative possibilities. From 3D printing to laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving, this modular machine unleashes your full creative potential all in one compact unit. With a larger printing size of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, the A350T stands out, enabling printing of large-scale prototypes without file splitting. Say goodbye to limitations and embrace seamless printing of sizable models, bridging the gap from imagination to reality in record time. Innovation meets efficiency with its combust technology, ensuring modular design and efficient, stable data transmission. Assembly, disassembly, and component changes are a breeze, allowing swift modifications to suit your needs. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the A350T boasts an all-metal body and an astounding repeatability of 0.005 mm. This rock-solid machine guarantees high-resolution output in 3D printing, engraving, cutting, and carving, offering not just premium quality but also consistent performance and safety. Empowering your creative journey, the Snapmaker Luban software, accessible via a 5-inch touchscreen, boasts an intuitive user interface. With features like power loss recovery, open-source code, multi-object processing, customized profiles, built-in cases, and multi-language support, it caters to various operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, allowing seamless job initiation via Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, or USB cable. At Snapmaker, we value your experience. Enjoy a 1-year warranty for quality issues and benefit from our 4 free services: professional technical support, quick start guide, user manual, and international interactive community, ensuring a smooth start to your creative journey. The Snapmaker A350T 3D printer is not just a machine, it's a gateway to limitless creativity, offering innovation, reliability, and support every step of the way. At number 2, we've got the AnkerMake M5. This powerhouse combines speed, precision, and affordability like no other. It's a dream come true for every tech enthusiast out there. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer, a powerhouse that redefines speed, precision, and convenience in 3D printing. Engineered for innovation, this printer pushes boundaries with its upgraded speed of 500 mm per second, setting a new benchmark in fast and efficient printing. The PowerBoost 2.0 technology elevates power release by 30%, doubling the printing speed and acceleration without compromising on print quality. Update the AnkerMake slicer, firmware, and app to unlock this enhanced speed for an unparalleled printing experience. Achieve precise 0.1 mm detail with the M5's ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure. Stability and quality remain uncompromised even at high speeds, ensuring flawlessly detailed prints every time. Experience an advanced error detection system that meticulously calculates a printing plan and employs an intelligent camera to maintain accuracy. Real-time notifications auto-pause prints upon error detection, preventing issues like print bed adhesion problems, filament messes, or extruder jams, saving both time and filament. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy and Z-axis design enhance stability, especially at high speeds and turbo acceleration. With a generous print size of 235 by 235 by 250 mm, easy assembly gets you printing within just 15 minutes. Enjoy remote control convenience through the AnkerMake app, AnkerMake Slicer, and even Alexa. Access your prints from anywhere, anytime, allowing seamless printing directly from the app's model library on your phone. Ensure printing accuracy with 7x7 auto-leveling, utilizing advanced algorithms to create a virtual height map, ensuring precise print initiation for impeccable results. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer embodies speed, precision, and seamless control, empowering your printing journey with groundbreaking technology and user-centric design. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Anycubic Cobra Max. This beast of a printer boasts cutting-edge technology, unparalleled performance, and reliability that's second to none. The Anycubic Cobra Max 3D printer, a powerhouse of size, precision, and convenience designed to elevate your printing experience. Let's dive into what makes this printer stand out. First and foremost, the Cobra Max boasts an expansive build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, offering ample space for your daily and household printing needs. This generous printing area opens up a world of creative possibilities. Experience hassle-free leveling with the Anycubic LeviQ leveling function, featuring a smart 25-point calibration system that automatically compensates for any unevenness in the heated bed. Printing becomes a breeze with one-touch leveling, ensuring a seamless and enhanced printing experience. With a maximum printing speed of 180 mm per second, the Cobra Max accelerates your printing process by 167% compared to industry standards. Enjoy faster printing without compromising on quality, adding more joy to your 3D printing endeavors. The printer's robust construction and double-thread Z-axis movement minimize shaking, ensuring precision and detail retention in your models. Its modular design allows for a quick assembly in just 10 minutes, getting you printing in no time. Equipped with a filament runout sensor, the printer intelligently monitors filament supply. When your filament runs low, the printer automatically pauses, safeguarding your progress without any disruptions. Enhancing the printing experience is the 4.3-inch full-colored LCD touchscreen, offering comprehensive settings and functions for seamless control and operation. At Anycubic, customer satisfaction is paramount. Enjoy lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional customer service, ensuring a smooth and supported printing journey. The Anycubic Cobra Max 3D printer is more than just a printer, it's your gateway to expansive creativity, precision, and reliable support, providing the best 3D printing experience for every user. There you have it, our top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to make your purchase. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest tech reviews and innovations. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating and exploring the endless possibilities of 3D printing.